Picture the classroom of tomorrow, a place where learning is personalized and interactive, shaped by artificial intelligence, where a student's educational journey isn't a path trodden by all, but a unique trail designed just for them. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's redefining the very essence of education. In today's video, we're taking you into this world, the future of learning, where AI is your tutor, your mentor, even your homework assistant. This isn't just about gadgets and gizmos. It's about making education more engaging, effective, and inclusive than ever before. Are you ready to step into the future? But wait, if you're excited about artificial intelligence, futuristic tech, and how it's shaping our world, then hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. You'll become part of a community that loves exploring these subjects, and you won't miss any of our future content. Personalized learning. In the future classroom, AI-powered personalized learning takes center stage. Imagine a learning environment where curriculum is not a one-size-fits-all, but tailored to each student's unique strengths, weaknesses, and interests. It's here that AI truly shines. By analyzing a student's performance, AI can identify gaps in understanding and adapt instructional materials accordingly. Maybe a student is struggling with algebra but excels in geometry. AI can adjust the math lessons to reinforce algebra concepts while still challenging them in geometry. This personalized touch not only makes learning more effective, but also boosts the student's confidence and motivation. In essence, AI is transforming education into a highly individualized experience, propelling every student towards their fullest potential. Interactive lessons. The future classroom isn't just about reading from textbooks or listening to lectures. It's an interactive, immersive, and engaging experience thanks to AI. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and AI-based games can bring lessons to life in extraordinary ways. Imagine learning about ancient Rome by virtually walking through its streets, or understanding biology by exploring a 3D model of a human cell. Interactive AI tools also enable real-time quizzes and simulations, providing instant feedback that reinforces learning. Moreover, AI can create dynamic learning paths, allowing students to learn by doing and experimenting rather than passive absorption. This interactivity nurtures a student's curiosity and creativity, making learning not just a task, but an adventure. As we step into the future, the lines between learning and playing blur, all thanks to AI's transformative power. Intelligent tutoring. The classroom of the future holds a promise of never leaving a student behind, thanks to AI's capability as an intelligent tutor. It's like having a personal academic coach available 24/7, responsive to a student's needs. These AI-driven platforms can answer questions, provide explanations, and even propose problems for additional practice based on a student's proficiency level. They can identify where a student is struggling, suggest tailored remediation strategies, and offer real-time feedback to enhance understanding. It's like having a teacher who's always there, ready to help at any moment, making the learning process more fluid. Intelligent tutoring can also ease the workload for teachers, allowing them to focus on tasks that require human touch and empathy. In this AI-driven scenario, learning becomes a seamless, supportive, and individualized process. AI and inclusive education. AI holds immense potential in creating an inclusive learning environment. For students with special needs, AI can break down barriers that may hinder their educational progress. Think of an AI tool that converts text to speech for visually impaired students, or interprets speech to text for the hearing impaired. Or consider adaptive learning platforms that adjust learning materials to suit the cognitive abilities of students with learning disabilities. Moreover, AI can help non-native speakers by offering real-time language translation and pronunciation assistance. By incorporating AI, education becomes not just universal, but universally accessible, acknowledging and accommodating the diversity of learners. The future of education is inclusive, ensuring every student, regardless of their circumstances, can have an equal shot at learning and success, thanks to the empowering potential of AI. The future classroom. Stepping into the future classroom, you might find a drastic transformation from the traditional setup. This isn't a room with rows of desks facing a teacher's blackboard, but a dynamic, adaptable space empowered by AI. AI-enabled smartboards and tablets replace textbooks, allowing for real-time updates and interactive learning experiences. AI-powered adaptive systems track each student's progress, shaping the curriculum to their individual needs. Virtual reality headsets transport students to different eras, continents, even planets, making lessons unforgettable. AI assistants, like digital versions of Hermione's hand, shoot up to answer questions, helping teachers gauge understanding. Data-driven insights assist teachers in identifying potential learning difficulties early, enabling proactive intervention. The future classroom is a hub of innovative technology, a flexible and responsive environment where learning is truly student-centered. Challenges and considerations. While AI's transformative potential is exciting, implementing it in education is not without challenges. Privacy and data security are major concerns. With AI systems collecting and analyzing sensitive information, robust protections must be in place to prevent data breaches. There are also concerns about the digital divide. Not all students have equal access to technology, risking the widening of educational disparities. The need for adequate teacher training for effectively using AI tools is another significant consideration. Furthermore, ethical issues arise. Can AI replace human teachers, or should it be purely supplemental? If an AI system incorrectly evaluates a student, what recourse exists? AI's role in education has to be thoughtfully designed, ensuring its benefits are maximized while minimizing its drawbacks. The path to the future is laden with questions that demand thorough reflection and conscientious decision-making. The way forward. As we stand at the threshold of an AI-driven educational revolution, there are key steps we must take. Schools need to invest in the necessary infrastructure and provide teachers with proper training to integrate AI tools into their teaching methods effectively. Policymakers must work towards bridging the digital divide, ensuring that every student, regardless of their socioeconomic background, can benefit from AI in education. Developers should focus on creating AI tools that are both highly efficient and user-friendly. At the same time, they need to prioritize data security and ethical considerations. Parents and students must adopt a growth mindset towards these advancements. Above all, we must remember that AI, though transformative, is only a tool. The human element, the guidance, empathy, and inspiration that teachers provide remains invaluable. In essence, the way forward is not AI versus teachers, but AI and teachers, working in tandem to create a brighter educational future. It's a world full of potential, transforming how we teach, learn, and interact. But remember, we are the architects of this future. It's up to us to shape how AI impacts education. So let's embrace the exciting changes ahead and work together to ensure a more inclusive, interactive, and individualized learning environment for all. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested in the future of education. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified each time we release a new video. Let's continue this conversation in the comments section. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AI in education. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future is in our hands.